Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Time Brew. I'm going to get a sore arm at the end of this. I am making the Fruit of the Woods IPA that won the Master of the Brewniverse competition that Cooper's held last year. That's it. And the lucky winner actually had his recipe commercially produced, so this is it. It's called, the guy's name is Chris Woods, so it's Fruit of the Woods because it's like a fruity IPA, right? You get it? Very clever. Anyway, so it's a bit sweeter than usual IPA, and it's got some interesting stuff going on there. He's used some oats and some honey in the mix, so it's quite I get the whole woods thing as well. Anyway, that's his letter to us saying, "Hardy ha, I won. Here's the recipe, and here's the ingredients." So we got some USA5 yeast. There's a bunch of grains here. One of those is 100 grams of crystal, 100 grams of carapils, and 250 grams of malted oats. 4 lots of 25 grams of hops, which is Riwaka, Amarillo, Simcoe, and Dorado. Got these are the fermentables. Got a Power Hour kit and 1 kilo of light dry malt. And that's it. So let's take care of these grains because I need to. Oh wait, there's also 250 grams of honey. You have to supply yourself. I brought that particular band because it came in a 250 gram container. Yeah. All right. So I am for. I don't know if this is They always say crack the oats in the grains in a Ziploc bag, and I do it differently. I put it between Glad wrap and everything, and no, it turns out actually a Ziploc bag works really well. And even with the world's worst rolling pin, this is like a plastic thing that you fill with water to get. You can see the bubbles in it. You fill it with water. Anyway, it's the world's worst rolling pin, but here I am adding all the different bits and pieces. This looks like the carapils maybe going in. Oh, that's all of it. So that's all the grains. Now I'm bringing, I think they said 5 litres of water up to 60 to 70 degrees to steep the stuff. I'm not following the recipe exactly. Like, for example, they said to put the grains in a bag, but I thought, I know what I'm doing. I'm just going to dump them straight in the water. I should have put them in a bag. Anyway, that's it going in there for, I think, a half an hour steep. Now I've got to try and drain everything, and I'm finding out pretty quickly that this glass container isn't big enough. They also didn't say to sparge or rinse, but I'm doing a little sparge. Now I've got everything out and extracted, so back into the pot you go for some boiling, minus the bit that I tipped out accidentally, and you go on the heat, and I need to bring that up to the boil. Once again, they said boil it for 5 minutes, but I'm boiling it for 15 just to be safe. That's just to make sure that all the bugs are good and dead. So 15 minutes on the clock, and now I'll get the hops ready. So half of each of these. So what did I say? There's 25 grams in each of these bags, so 12.5 each of Riwaka. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Amarillo. I don't know if I'm saying any of these right, but anyway, Riwaka, Amarillo, Simcoe, and Dorado go into my little container there. And when the thing is ready, they're going to. Did I chuck them in? No. What am I doing? Oh, I'm getting the honey ready. Okay, so it's had its 15-minute boil. I've taken it off. The honey's actually been sitting in hot water to make it a little easier to get rid of out of the container. And so I'm just stirring that in, and now the hops go in, and the lid goes on, and that's a 30-minute steep. So Gojira, who I'm listening to, are just going to go on hold while they're back. We're rocking. Anyway, fermenting. I say anyway a lot. I was watching one of my videos. I'm cleaning. Watching one of my videos and went, wow, I say anyway a lot. Anyway, here is the fermentables that I'm getting ready now. This is the yes, this is new. I heard that if you do the boiling water trick that I do, you don't actually have to heat it up. And I think the end result is you don't, but my lord, it takes a long time to pour it all out. So here I am doing the hot water trick, and I've given it a stir and scraped down the sides, and yeah, clean as a whistle. But I've got very sore arms at the end of this video. I was holding that while it drained into the fermenter for a very long time. Now I'm using a cold water bath to bring the what do you call this, like wort down to a civilized temperature for the yeast. That's going to get strained to get the hops out, and I think I collect, there's a fair bit of, there's a mild amount of hops. So I'll give it a stir, and now it's time for the malt, and always pull the corners out so that you get a nice, easy to pour thing. And there's 1 full kilo of malt going in. Now I'm topping it up to, what is it? I've got to look it up. I've got the recipe here in front of me. 21, I can't find it. It's either 20 or 21 litres. 21 litres. In goes the, this recipe is online on the Cooper's website if you want it, by the way. In goes the yeast, USA 5, on goes the lid. I'm enjoying whatever that is I am drinking, and that's all. That's a wrap. So thanks for watching the video. I was kind of looking forward to this. I had an inkling that this was going to be a recipe of the month. So when the competition when it won, I went down to the local shop and I bought enough so that I'd have some left for this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.